Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be sharing the best method that you can use to start earning money with affiliate marketing. So stick around. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer. And as I mentioned, I'm going to be sharing you the best method that you can use to make money using affiliate marketing. So if you're brand new to affiliate marketing and you're looking to get started, or maybe you have some experience already with affiliate marketing, but you're trying to take it to the next level, then this video is going to help you out. But before I get into this video, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel. And if you guys are interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so with that being said, let me just get right into the topic of this video. So first of all, we all know what affiliate marketing is. And for those of you who are brand new to affiliate marketing, basically what affiliate marketing is where you're promoting somebody else's product online through a specific link that's coded to you. So whenever somebody clicks on your link and then they buy that product that you're promoting, then you earn a commission. So it's a pretty basic concept to understand, and almost anybody can get started with it. So now that we know what affiliate marketing is, how do we actually use it to make money? So some of you might think, oh, you just get your link and then you paste it all over the internet and then boom, you make $1 million overnight. Well, it doesn't actually work like that. There's a lot of steps that are involved when it comes to creating and scaling a profitable online business with affiliate marketing. So let me just go over the things that you need in order to make money successfully with affiliate marketing. So the first thing that you're going to need is you're going to need to pick a niche. So this is going to be a specific category that you're going to be focusing on. So you have to ask yourself, what is the audience that you're going to be targeting? Are you going to be targeting people who are looking to lose weight? Are you going to be targeting people who are single and looking to find some kind of relationship product or service that's going to help them? Or are you targeting people who are just tired of their regular jobs and just looking for some other way to make money online? Because if you're just trying to target everybody, you're going to reach nobody because your message is going to be too broad and people aren't going to relate to it. So that's why you have to pick a niche and stick with that niche, because you're going to be speaking to an audience that's going to be relating to the content that you're going to be creating. So the next thing that you need to do is that you need to pick a product. So what product are you going to promote in order to start earning money? So it should be obvious that your product should be related to the niche that you're in. So if you're in the weight loss niche, your product should be related to weight loss or some kind of healthy supplement. It can be a weight loss supplement. If your niche is focusing on people who are interested in cooking and kitchen appliances, then your product should be related to that niche. If you're promoting something like a laptop to people who are interested in cooking, they're not going to buy that product because it's not related to what they're interested in. I hope that makes sense. So make sure that you pick a product that is going to be related to the niche that you're in. Your product doesn't have to be the best product around. It just has to be solving a problem that somebody in your niche is having. Now, the third thing that you need to do in order to create a successful online business with affiliate marketing is that you need to get traffic. If you're promoting a product, you need to get people in front of that product so they know what that product is about, and so you can start earning money. If you don't have any traffic coming to the product that you're promoting, you're not going to make money like that. If you're selling somebody and nobody knows that you're selling it, how are you going to be able to make money off of that? So you need to get traffic to your product, whether it's paying for advertisements or the free but the long-term method way is by creating content. Now you can create content for free where you're going to be delivering value based on the niche that you're in on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or even blog posts. If you're on a tight budget and you don't have any money to invest in paid traffic, then I recommend creating content. Yes, it is going to take a longer time to build up an audience, but it's going to be free. Now, the fourth thing that you need to do when it comes to making money successfully is you need to invest into an email software service. So this is gonna be a service that's gonna allow you to build an email list and send out automated emails to the people on your list. So for example, when somebody comes to your landing page, they sign up with their email. If you have an email software service set up, they're gonna be automatically receiving your emails that you have already written out beforehand. So day 1, they receive your first message. Day 2, they receive the second one, so on and so forth, without you even having to retype every single email and having to send it out individually to the people on your list. So this is going to help you out a lot when it comes to making money with affiliate marketing, because it's going to be like you're having your business run on autopilot. As soon as somebody signs up to your list, they're going to automatically be receiving your emails. Now the 5th part is probably the most important part, and that's going to be delivering value. So as I mentioned, if you're going to be creating content, you need to be delivering value in your content. It has to be based on the niche that you're in, and it has to be addressing a problem that people are having in your niche. So as I mentioned earlier, an example is the weight loss niche. You can be creating content such as YouTube videos where you're talking about the best ways to lose weight, 5 healthy eating habits that promote weight loss, and people are going to find value in that if that's what they're struggling with. And then you just promote your affiliate product just by giving them a call to action. You can simply say, if you're tired of struggling with weight loss and you're ready for a solution, click the link for the best way to lose weight down in the description, something like that. So it's important to deliver value. Even when you're using an email software service, you have to be delivering value in each one of your emails. You have to make people want to open up your emails and read them because they're getting value from it. And that's how you're going to be able to increase your sales, is by delivering value in your content. Now the last tip is, once you're delivering value in the content that you're creating, you're going to start to build up an audience, because they're going to recognize the value that you're delivering, and then they're going to start to build trust with you. So when people are comfortable with the content that you're creating and they're feeling that they're getting value from it, they're more likely to buy. So as I mentioned, when you deliver value, you should always give a call to action to kind of direct people on what you want them to do. So you create content, deliver value. As I mentioned, here is 5 eating habits that promote weight loss, and then if you're serious about losing weight, click the link in the description. And when they click that link, it's going to take them to the sales page of that affiliate product that you're promoting, which would be something like a weight loss supplement. So that's basically the best method when it comes to making money using affiliate marketing. If you're just depending on posting random affiliate links all over the web, you're going to have a really hard time when it comes to making sales. So that's why I recommend using this method if you're really looking to scale a business with affiliate marketing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I'm going to leave a link for a free ebook download down in the description called Affiliate Marketing Blueprint. And it's basically a blueprint on how you can grow and scale a successful online business with affiliate marketing. And if you guys are interested in my #1 recommendation when it comes to making money online, then you can check out the link in the top of the description. So I hope you guys learned something new in this video, and if you did, let me know down in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.